We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay debit card declined for transfer. First thing you need to do is check if your bank to confirm that your debit card is allowed for Apple Pay transfers and that there are no temporary security blocks or spending limits on your account. Next, open the wallet app and review the declined transfer details to make sure the amount is within your daily and weekly limits. Then, check your internet connection and confirm that Apple Pay services are work properly. After that, restart your device, update to the latest iOS version, and remove then re-add your debit card to refresh the connection. And if the transfer is still declined, wait a few hours before retrying and contact your bank to verify there are no fraud alerts or pending verifications. Then, reach out to Apple support if everything looks fine on the bank side. So that's it.